So if you saw my other video, it kind of popped like a few seconds ago. So I'm kind of just picking up the pieces that are left with it, right? So here's a little the stuff that was surrounding it. There's the little orange stuff that's in it. Oh my god, I feel so weird. Yeah, it's kind of just really juicy and yucky. And when I say yucky, I mean like, ugh. I'm getting the jiggles. Yuck. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and fix this. I don't know how to. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It tastes weird. Alright. So you can see me now. No wait. You can be here to see it all. It will be a better place for you to see it. Alright, there we go. There it is. Don't hate. Don't hate. Blow my shirt. Alright. I'm just gonna lay the detail. Put my knife in there. Put this in there. Put this in there. Then I'm just gonna lay this in there so you can now see it. Alright. Oh wait, you can see it now. Not really. And now I'm just gonna give it a little rinse. Oh my god, that's disgusting. I'm gonna miss my little leg. Duck. That just turned green. It's not making a really big difference. I'm gonna wash it as much as I can. Just to give it a little bit of a alright, so it's still got the soap on it. And no, this was not a debt, and this was not meant to happen. If you know me in real life, you should laugh down a lot. Oh, and I want to shout out to Paige. Can you stop laughing, Paige? Because I know you'll be laughing. Shut up. If you don't know what Paige is, she's my best friend. Well, I'm going to finish my washing up with my random little tea towel. Oh, should I say goodbye to the vinegar?